Here's Bingx App by Crypto and Stocks. So yeah, it's a global cryptocurrency exchange that offers diversifies products and services, including spot derivatives, copy trading, and wealth management, all designed for the evolving needs of users. You can see all the features, advantages, just basically another app. They also have a lot of promo codes, new user rewards. So it's just a nice idea to just create an account in here, and yeah. So you can then just sign up. So for example, I will just show you. And then you need to verify, upload wallet ID document, upload a selfie, advanced verification, or you can skip it. So that's kind of, you see the details in here. So sign up, and then you can get a mystery box. So, and then you just complete tasks. And that's kind of the idea. So quite a lot of deals. And markets, futures, spot, assets, and that's the idea.